Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change email font size in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change email font size in Gmail, go to your Gmail account and click on gear icon on upper right corner. Now click on all settings, scroll down. Here you will find default text style and here you will find an option size. Click on the drop down on size and you will find here four sizes. One is small, one normal, one large and another one is huge. I am going to change the size to large. Look, this is the large size. And again change to hues. Look, this is the hue size. Again changing to normal. This is the normal size and the small size. I'm going to change to large. Okay. After making the changes, you have to save it. Scroll down and click on save changes. Now I'm going to test. Click on compose. Now type the message body. Look, the message font size has been changed to large. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.